Do you want to know how to turn off this notify when friends go online option on your Nintendo Switch? This feature sends you a notification every time one of your friends comes online, but if you find it distracting or just want some peace while playing games, you can easily turn it off. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to disable the notify when friends go online option on your Nintendo Switch. Let's get started. First, from your home page, head over to the system settings. Now, from the left menu, scroll down and select Notification. Then tap on Friend Notifications. Choose your user account. Now look for the Notify when friends go online option and then tap it to turn it off. From now on, you'll be notified when your friends come online. From now on, you won't be notified when your friends come online. You'll no longer receive notifications when your friends come online on Nintendo Switch. If this video helps you out, then don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.